I am Maria Antaray, a BSc English second year student, and I am here to conduct an interview with you about the integration of ICT in your teaching. So first of all, do you use ICT in your teaching?
Yes, when I started teaching, I've been using ICT.
What ICT tools do you use in assessing your students?
When I first started teaching, I used projector. We don't have smart TVs yet, and internet connection is problem in our school. So, but this time, no projector, only smart TVs.
While using ICT, ma'am, in your teaching, now like mga benefits or mga challenges na mga experience?
When using ICT, especially smart TVs when teaching, ganun sila at first, no? Sila minutes using ICTs or smart TVs, recapture pa nila attention, pero kaya na yung student dito sila sa kanang mga smart TVs. So, ang nila ko attention span na kung ano po, wala na po, nga na, ang disadvantages po, na-encounter na is talagang may pointing. Yeah.
How has the use of ICT affected your students' learning or performance?
Ang performance nga, hindi kayo yung performance, kung kanya yung attentiveness, sa ilangan ka ng, kung mamilo sila, di ba, kanya ka ng, sa mga activities po, engage sila. Hindi ko sa kanang mga kanang ito, kaya ito mga future lessons, mga engaging na, hindi ko sa kung ganahan dito sila.
Prepared 4 questions, ma'am. So first question is, what ICT tools do you use in assessing your students? Currently, I am teaching mathematics for grade 7 students. So during my discussion at the class, I use the PowerPoint for the class discussion, proper class discussion. With the slides in my PowerPoint, I usually use the Canva application.
Can you describe how you use these tools during assessment?
I use this tool during an assessment in our introduction of our discussion. So during the introductory part of our discussion, I use the PowerPoint such as giving them the slides or showing them the slides and then giving them the hints of what is the topic all about. Major challenge that we are going to encounter when integrate the ICT or in our class discussion or in our class assessment is the internet. When you are not going to use the ICT, they are going to stuck on what they have learned. They are going to stuck on what will be the teacher teach to them. But if we have the ICT, they can search. They can search beyond the classroom setting, and also they can have the expansion of their learning.
Thank you, ma'am.